totally heated this mug of milk for 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Now let's check. The handle is warm, but the milk is quite cooked. If you can see, there's a layer of fat forming on the top of the milk. That means it's ready. If we heat it furthermore, it will spill from the mug. So this is the perfect warm-up milk for my coffee. Now I'm going to add sugar into my hot milk. I put powdered sugar. If you like it sweet, you can put more, but I'm not putting a lot. And then I'm going to put instant coffee. I put 1, 2, 3 heapful teaspoons of instant coffee. I like my coffee very strong in the morning. Then I'm going to use this whisker. It's from Daiso. It's electronic. It uses batteries at the bottom. So I turn it on. It spins. So I turn it off. First, I put the whisker inside the milk. Stir a little bit before I turn it on so that it won't splash. I have to put it immersed. The head has to be immersed in the milk, and then I turn it on. And then a little bit swirled. Make sure it won't touch the bottom and it won't touch the edges. And let the time do the magic. So I lift it up a little bit, but not out of the milk, so you can see the whirlpool. This is the part I enjoy the most in the morning. The soothing sound from the whisker machine spinning and the change of the color of the milk, coffee milk. And then we lift it a little bit, do the motion of up and down, and then you see the magic. There's bubbles forming. This way to make it's very long-lasting. I once did this and I have to do something. I left my coffee there more than half an hour. It's completely cold, but then the forms are still there. It's very creamy. I can go deeper, make sure everything at the bottom also got stirred up. See the form? Bubbles. If you touch the bottom or the edge of the cup, it might stop because the battery has been weak. I've been using it every day for months. It's so fun to do this. Okay, my coffee is ready. So, this is the perfect cup of coffee for me every morning. I drink a cup of coffee every day, it can improve my mood and reduce the risk of depression. Coffee can boost focus, memory, and energy levels. It can reduce the risk of developing chronic illnesses like type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and some cancer. So drink up and drink the coffee with me every day.